Howard University Plaza Towers. This home for hundreds of Howard students will be undergoing a makeover during the summer. Mr. Jonathan Ajose, the interim dean of Residence Life, says it is crucial to renew and reinvigorate one of Howard University's iconic and essential residence halls. On February 5th, the Office of Residence Life released a memorandum outlining renovation plans for both the East and West Towers. The document also explained how College Halls South and North will be used as substitute dorms. While many are grateful for the new and improved Plaza Towers, some are worried about the lack of convenient housing during the summer, regardless of its backup residence hall.
I was thinking about staying here because I have an internship in the summer, and now I'm finding out it's closing. Like, where am I going to stay?
At the same time, some students hope to see a dramatic change.
Actually, I want to see a whole new building. I mean, honestly, because the problem with the rodents, and we haven't had any, luckily, in my suite, but it's still a problem.
It's parts of the building like these stoves with only 2 working burners, old-fashioned cabinets and floorings that students would love to see change. Unfortunately, a representative for the Department of Residence Life was not available for comment. However, more information can be found on www.howard.edu/residence life. For Howard University News Service, I'm Breanna Davis.